What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. So I'm coming up with another tutorial. We're still talking about functions, So it's about 1:06 a.m. in the morning. So we are Tuesday already. Oh man, I gotta go to sleep because I gotta work 10 hours tomorrow in my job. But I just wanna do another tutorial before I go to bed. So let's do that. Right now we're going to be sending some data to the functions, which means we're going to be passing some values to the parameters. So we're going to start with function prototype, which is going to be it's going to be a void display value. We're going to pass an int by the name num. Okay, semicolon, and we're going to be calling in the main function. We're going to be calling it. So let's see, display value, what value? Well, let's give it a 5. Okay, and let's do a cout. This function is passing the number above, so which should be 5, right? Lane. Okay, let's do the function right here. Okay, let's do a cout. The number that this function is passing is it should give me the number. It should give me a 5. The number that this function is passing is 5. This function is passing the number above. Yeah, and you can change that. Yeah, type something wrong here. The function is passing the number above. Okay, you can do a 15. Let's execute that. The number this function is passing is 15. I'm telling twice. Right here. Okay. Okay, the number that this function is passing is, oh man, the number passing is the number. Let's just do that. The number passing is. That's it. So right here you can just call it. You can just call different numbers with the same function. Let's do 25, let's do 35, let's do 45, and it should pass all of those numbers. The number passing is 15, the number passing is 25, the number passing is 35, the number passing is 45. Yeah, this function is passing the number above. Cool. So now let's see another example. This is a cool one. We're going to be using a user input in this one. Okay, so let's start by the prototype. Function prototype. Let's do sum. We're going to be passing an int num1 comma int num2 comma and int num3 semicolon. So right here, that's where all the magic starts. So we're going to use an int. We're going to ask a value 1. This is the value we're going to be asking to the user. Value 2 and value 3. And then let's ask the user to enter some numbers. Please enter 3 numbers, and I will sum them. Is that how you say it? Please enter 3 numbers and I will display the sum. I will display the sum. Okay. And then we have scene. So this is where the numbers the users enter is going to be stored in value 1. It's going to be stored in value 2 for the second value, and then it's going to be stored in value 3 for the third value. Right? Cool. Now calling the function. Calling the function there will calling the sum function. Okay, cool. So let's do that. Sum right here. Let's enter those values. So right here is going to be the values. It will go in this parameter is going to go the values that the user is going to be entering. Value 2 and value 3. Let's do the function right here. It's going to be a void sum. Mac, just do all of this instead of okay. Okay, cool. And then let's do a cout. The sum of the 3 numbers are parentheses. Let's do num1 plus num2 plus num3. And then we end this, right? So let's execute this. It's taking some time. Okay, please enter 3 numbers and I will display the sum. Oh man, I don't like this. It looks kind of weird. Let's add that. And then let's go ahead and do this. Okay, that looks a lot better. So let's do 2, 3, and a 5. That would be a 10, right? If you sum through those numbers. The sum of the 3 numbers are 10. Cool. Cool bean. Why did I add the E? What's wrong with me? Okay, I can just sum whatever numbers you enter in here. Let's do 100, let's do 200, and let's do 550. The sum of the 3 numbers are 850. Cool. The program is working good as expected. So thank you guys for checking the video. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it helped you in your journey as a programmer. Yeah, just like the video and subscribe. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. I've got to do another tutorial tomorrow. I'm planning on doing this every day. We'll see how that goes. Thanks and have a good night. Bye bye.